welcome to Barrick Mitsubishi. My name's Josh and today we're doing a walk around video on this beautiful 2017 Mitsubishi Triton GLS. Now starting off at the front, I'm going to walk you through the vehicle's condition and some of the actual features of it. Now at the front, as you can see, the first thing that really stands out is that IRONMAN 4x4 bull bar on the front there. That's just protecting the whole front end and it does give it a very tough look. There are a couple of minor stone chips which we have gone through the effort of touching up for you, but for 2017 model it does actually present in really good condition. That grey front grille there with the Triton badging, the Mitsubishi badging right in the middle does look absolutely incredible, and those headlights very elegant with the DRLs that run through the side there. The bull bar itself does have the fog lights and indicators fitted to it. We've got black steel wheels all the way along this car. It does give it, as I said, a really tough look, and it does have those mud terrain tires on it. I do believe this vehicle does also have a lift kit, so for a full list of modifications, please have a look at the description. Steel wheels are in good condition and tires are brand new. We've got the chrome side mirrors and door handles in this, and the side step just down the bottom. The side mirrors do fold in when you lock the car. Having a look inside now, the seat bolsters, as you can see, really good condition, very minimal wear. And on the doors themselves, where we get lazy and often kick the doors open, very minimal scuffs there as well. The windows have been very slightly tinted, so that's going to keep the inside of the cabin nice and cool. And that next alloy wheel, once again, completely unmarked, still really good tread, obviously in the brand new tires. On the back here, we've got the sports bars on top of the tub and that soft tonneau cover, which if I open it up, we'll just quickly show you inside the tub. So dropping the tailgate down, as you can see inside the tub, we have got the tub liner just protecting the whole paintwork in there, and you've got your genuine carpet mats in the back as well. Lifting that back up, rear bar also really good condition. Making our way along this side now, we've got the fuel filler cap on the passenger side. That next steel wheel, once again, really good condition, especially for a steel wheel. The paintwork all the way along this side does present in really good condition. Can't really fault it, even if I am trying to be super picky. So very, very well looked after and very tastefully accessorized as well. What we're going to do now is pop the bonnet and have a look at the engine. Alright, taking a look under the bonnet now, what we have is a 4-cylinder 2.4 litre turbo diesel engine with a 5-speed automatic gearbox. The ANCAP safety rating of this vehicle is 5 stars, with a power output from the engine of 133 kilowatts and a torque rating of 430 newton meters. There is plenty of power and torque there if you did ever want to tow anything. Diesel fuel tank holds 75 litres, giving you a combined fuel consumption of about 7.6 litres per 100 and an average fuel distance, depending on your driving style, of about 987 kilometers from the full tank. Alright, taking a look inside the Triton now. On the driver's side door here, you do get your power window controls. Front driver's side is automatic up and down. Above that, you have got the lock button for your windows. On the right hand side of the steering wheel, we've got the angle adjuster for your headlights, and above that is the toggle for your power mirrors, including a button that actually lets you fold them in. On the bottom of that, you have got 2 blank buttons and your traction control button, and on the right hand stalk, indicators and headlight controls, as well as your fog light controls. Now on the left hand stalk, you've got all your washer and wiper controls. On the steering wheel itself, it is a nice 4-spoke leather wrapped steering wheel. You've got your cruise control settings on the right with your your speed limiter as well, and all your media and hands-free controls on the left. If we move into the middle now, it is Mitsubishi's probably best entertainment system so far. You've got Apple Carplay and Android Auto. You've also got AM and FM radio, digital radio, and USB inputs. You've also got a HDMI input. Just below that, dual zone climate control, so passenger and driver can have separate temperatures. Below that again, USB input, cigarette lighter, and another USB port and a HDMI. There is also a little cover under here if you wanted to keep anything private inside the car. Now, the shifter itself, if you bring it down into drive and bump it to the right, you can switch through the gears manually in sports mode. Behind that, you've got your four-wheel drive selector, a hard handbrake, 2 cup holders, and that center console, which does have 2 parts to it. So there's a tray in there if you wanted to keep a wallet or something, and plenty of storage under that with a 12-volt socket. Now, if we pan around the interior, you will notice that it is actually in really good condition. Previous owners really looked after it. And if we quickly pan back to the front, something you will notice that always tells you the previous owners cared about their vehicle is that dash mat. So that's going to prevent your dash from fading and cracking, which is a sign that the previous owner really did care about their vehicle. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video on this stunning Triton. As you can tell, in this kind of condition, it is something you are going to want to look after. So please ask us about the glass coat, because that will give you a lifetime warranty on the paintwork, prevent it against a variety of environmental damages such as bird droppings, bat droppings, fading, oxidization and more. The other thing is the premium mechanical protection plan. That's going to give you another 5 years of cover on top of your new car warranty on 181 electrical and mechanical components of the vehicle. Now that will cover you up to 200,000 kilometers and up to 10 years of platinum roadside assist. It is awesome value, and if you are using our in-house finance, Julie or Mario, our business managers, would love to talk to you about your finance packages and tailor something to suit your needs, which will work all that in there for you. Now, if you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to contact us. But one thing I will say, have a look at our Google reviews before you come in. We are sitting on 4.8 stars with over 1,000 reviews from customers Australia-wide. So people enjoy dealing with us. We make the process easy, and we like to ensure that you are buying a good quality vehicle from the right people. So if you have any questions at all, the number is 99070555. My name is Josh, and thank you so much for watching.